Hi, I'm Lightseeker2 here doing an unboxing video of the LEGO Star Wars 75039 V-Wing Starfighter. Ages for 7 to 12, and yeah, this box has no piece count. So anyway, we just look through the box here. So I got this on my birthday. Alright, so see the features, the spring-load shooter, and yeah, the wings that rotate and stuff. And here the minifix again. Yeah, and the different views of the V-wing from different perspectives, and a snapshot of the V-wing. Right, so without further ado, let's unbox this. And yeah, okay, let's so I got this set at 20% discount, so I was really happy. And I also got the Batman Riddler Chase set, which I might review, but I did not do an unboxing of that since my channel usually is just Lego Star Wars videos, so I didn't want to add superheroes. But anyway, that's not the point. So the point is that the V-Wing is now here. So this is the second version of V-Wing that we're getting. The last one that we got was in 2005, 2006. Alright, so I'm actually really excited. So as you can see, there are two bags here which are not like labeled. Right, so we have here the instructions booklet. Okay, let's see what the instruction booklet is like. And there's all these numbered bags, which are not actually numbered, but yeah. So there are 60 pages of building all the pieces, and the lego.com/Star Wars. Okay, and then we have, oh yeah, I didn't pay attention. Actually, these bags are numbered. I didn't see the numbers. Sorry about that. Alright, so here is bag 1. And here is bag 2. Okay, and then we have the sticker sheet, which is slightly folded here, but yeah, it's not too bad. Alright, so yeah, that's basically my unboxing of the LEGO Star Wars V-Wing Starfighter. Hope you enjoyed, and I will build the set and I'll do a review on it soon enough, and I'll post it on my channel. Alright, so thanks for watching Lightseeker2 channel here, and I'll see you guys in the review of this set. Bye.